guys, my name is Divya. Welcome back to my channel Stylish Mama. So today's video is gonna be about a skincare video in which I'm gonna be telling you my facial routine. मैं आज आपके साथ ये शेयर करूँगी कि मैं घर पे facial कैसे करती हूँ with two products. One is bleach and one is the facial kit that I've bought it from Nykaa.com and मुझे सेल पे मिल रहा था तो इसलिए मैंने बाय किया है. I'll show you the two products that I use. First one is the VLCC Instant Glow Gold Bleach. So it retails for I think rupees. Let me just check it. I think it's for 65 rupees and I have got this for like 40 rupees or something like that. Yeah, it retails for 65 rupees and I've got this on a good discount and I've got it for 40 rupees. And the other one is this Lotus Diamond Facial Kit. It's a very good facial because हम पार्लर में अगर जाते हैं तो we always go for fancy facials and we go for like Lotus or we go for like the other one. I don't remember the other one. O3 Plus, yeah, right. So this one retails for I think 325 rupees and I've also got this for a very perfect discount. I think it was around 250 or 260, something like that. So it was a good discount. So I've bought this and I bought this in a gold one also, which is also was on a good discount. So I'm gonna be using these two right here in front of you and you're gonna see that what steps I do, how I will do everything in front of you guys. You can just see that. And firstly we're gonna be starting with our bleach. So let's just get into the video and keep posting your comments regarding the videos that you wanted to watch. So in this pack you get an Insta Glow Gold Bleach Cream which you can use afterwards when you have done your bleach, and after that you get this post bleach pack that you can use after your bleach has been done, and the two things, that is the bleach cream and the bleach activator. So these are the two things. I'm gonna mix them. So basically what you need to do is that firstly you should make sure that you do a patch test. अगर guys आप कुछ भी लगा रहे हैं अपने फेस पे, मैं ये recommend करूँगी कि आपको हमेशा patch test करना चाहिए. So I'm gonna be mixing these two. I'm gonna be seeing by applying it here कि मुझे react तो नहीं कर रहा है, because it can cause sensitivity onto your face. It can cause damage. So make sure that you do patch test first, and for that I'll be using and for applying my bleach I'll be using this face pack brush. So I'm gonna make this mixture and come back. Guys, I've made my mixture of this activator and cream. Now I'm gonna be applying. Now I'm gonna just do my patch test here because I have a combination skin, like it's almost oily and sometimes it's dry. So I'm gonna be just testing it out right here because I have acne prone skin. Guys, I have made my mixture. I have put in for patch test as well because I have acne prone skin, sensitive skin. So I will make sure that I will not cause harm in any which ways to my skin. And by the way guys, I'm gonna be putting the link of my video in which I have told you about how to get rid of acne in 1 or 2 days. Make sure to check that out also. So by far I think it's good. Now I'm gonna be applying it on the rest of my face. So make sure that you apply it very nicely and patch test ज़रूर करना guys, because बाद में मुझे मत बोलना कि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गई. So make sure that you do. Now guys, as you can see, it has started making bubbles, so that means it's doing its job. I'm gonna wait for next 2-3 minutes and I'm gonna splash some water onto my face and I'll get back to the video. Guys, I have removed the bleach and now I'm just patting the towel to my face. We have got these pouches. One is the cleansing scrub, the activator, the massage cream and the mask. So we're gonna be following the steps like from the number one. We have the cleansing scrub. Taken the product onto my hand and make sure that your hands are very clean. It's very hygienic guys. Don't use your hands which are dirty, so what I believe. So I'm just gonna taking the scrub and I'm just gonna putting it on my face. So my problematic area with blackheads is my nose. I can't just bear the fact that I have blackheads, but it's okay, I have it, so I can just help it out. So I'm just gonna putting it onto my face and give it a good massage. So with this scrub, I wanted to tell you guys the granules of this scrub is a little chunky, what I believe, because they are like feeling so. But then अगर हम scrub की बात करते हैं तो there should be some granules so that they can just exfoliate our skin. So we're gonna be massage. So I'm using very light like pressure on my face because I have oily skin. मेरे को पिंपल भी होते हैं. तो I'm putting a little pressure on my nose and circular motions में मैं अपने नोज़ के ब्लैक हेड्स को एक्सक्रीट करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट ड्रैगिंग माई फिंगर लाइक सो मच. तो पोर्स आपके विजिबल पोर्स यहाँ होते हैं एंड ऑन द चिन. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू काइंड ऑफ. सो आई एम जस्ट exfoliating my skin like this. I will do it for like next 2-3 minutes and I'm gonna splash some water. I'll come back to you guys. As you can see guys, I've removed my scrub and my skin feels really very soft right now. I can just show my skin like this. You can just see my, I have like pores problem and I think by far it's like done. So I can't just feel anything. It's very light on your skin. I really like this facial. And now we're gonna be doing our next step, which is the activator. It's a very interesting thing basically. It's a unique diamond activator that is designed with the dissolved dust particles of diamonds. That what they have mentioned. So we're gonna be taking 5-7 drops of this activator and we're gonna be massaging it on our skin. And now we'll be doing that, and after that, without wiping it, we're gonna be doing our next step. That's what has been mentioned over here. So I'm gonna be taking it on my palm. Oh guys, they have a little particles. Let me just show you guys. Like, is that visible like to you? Okay, so we're gonna be taking it and putting it onto our face. So I'm gonna just, now I think that's now visible to you guys what I was talking about. So oh god, my hand is feeling a little shimmery. So we're gonna be massaging that into our skin. So basically we need to penetrate this cream deep into our skin, and for that we need to massage it like very nicely. So always keep this in mind that you have to do a massage in which you uplift your face. So just like this you can use मैं ये मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाने के बाद भी ऐसे करती हूँ कि मैं अपने फेस को मसाज करती हूँ. So make sure that you massage that skin really well. So guys, you can just see like it gives so good effect on your face. My face looks so nice and good, like you can just see. Next step is the massage creme that I have. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit on it on my hand. So just make sure that you have a good amount of massage cream into your hand. कुछ ज़्यादा ही नहीं ले लिया मैंने. पार्लर वाली तो कभी इतना नहीं ले सकते. उन्होंने तो एक फेशियल में से 10 फेशियल जो करने होते हैं. सो ये फ़ायदा है खुद फेशियल करने का. उप्स सॉरी. So make sure that you do your facial very gently. Don't drag your face. Just use light hands onto your face. और मैं क्रीम को ज़्यादा देर अपने फेस पे नहीं लगा कर रखती क्योंकि आई हैव ऑयली स्किन. सो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे एक्ने हो जाएगा. तो मैं इसको थोड़ी देर अपने फेस पे लगाती हूँ और उसके बाद मैं इसे पानी से अपना फेस वॉश कर लेती हूँ. Or I can just use a little drops of water on my face. I'm just gonna use that as well. So उससे थोड़ा ना, जैसे ये हार्ड हो गई थी ना, तो उससे थोड़ा सॉफ्ट हो जाता है, बिकॉज क्रीम का टेक्सचर थोड़ा ऐसा सा है, इसका थोड़ा हार्ड हो जाता है. Okay, so now I'm just gonna massage that way. Now guys, बहुत मसाज हो गई, अब मैं इसको वॉश करके आती हूँ. So guys, you can just see after cream मेरे फेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट फील कर रहा है, एंड आई कैन सी द ग्लो ऑल्सो. So now it's time to do our last step, which is mask. और हमारा फेशियल बस ऑलमोस्ट अब डन होने वाला है, एंड मुझे ये फेशियल काफ़ी पसंद आया है, काफ़ी हैंडी भी है और काफ़ी इजी भी है. सारे स्टेप्स के आगे मेंशन भी है नंबरिंग कि कैसे कैसे इसको करना है. Guys, this is the final result of my facial, and I feel so soft, so nice, so clean, quirky clean, and I like this facial. It's hygienic, it's inexpensive, it's less time consuming, and it does a good job. And for 325 rupees, and not exactly 325 rupees, I've got like 30% discount or something like that for sure, and I've got this instant glow at home during this pandemic. It's a good deal guys, and आप भी ये चीज़ ट्राई ज़रूर कीजिएगा, एंड जो भी ये चीज़ को ट्राई करेगा प्लीज़ मेंशन दैट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो, एंड ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच माई अदर वीडियोज़. आई विल the link of that videos in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out as well. So I think that was about it. I will see you in my next video, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it with your friends. Mwah, big poochie, bye.